Crocodiles are easily recognized by their thick, scaly skin and 4 sturdy limbs. They reach sexual maturity between 12 and 15 years of age. At nesting time, the female excavates a hole in the riverbank with her hind feet and deposits between 20 and 75 eggs. Incubation lasts up to 95 days, with temperature determining the sex of the hatchlings. Cooler conditions produce females, warmer conditions males. Throughout this period, the female remains close to the nest, guarding against predators. When the young emerge from the eggs under the sand, she carefully carries them in her mouth to the water, releasing them to begin life in their aquatic environment. Crocodiles are adapted for stealth. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned high on the head, allowing them to remain almost fully submerged while still able to see and breathe. An additional transparent eyelid, which is used to clean the eye, also protects the eye underwater. Flat dog is a slang term used in parts of Africa to refer to Nile crocodiles. In shallow water, they use their limbs to walk forward. Crocodiles are highly efficient swimmers. When swimming in deeper water, the limbs fold against the body and propulsion comes from the powerful laterally compressed tail. Crocodiles are formidable predators and are responsible for numerous human fatalities. They are equally at home on land and can move very quickly over short distances. When threatened, they will go underwater and can remain there for longer than an hour. At Zimanga Private Game Reserve in KwaZulu-Natal, underground bird hides provide a view of the diverse avian life that often shares habitat with crocodiles and occasionally becomes prey. One of the most amazing wildlife sightings was this encounter between spotted hyenas and a crocodile fighting over the carcass of a hippo. The croc was outnumbered 5-1, but did not budge at all. Eventually, the flat dog was in control, and the hyenas left with tails between their legs.